Hi everyone, I am Priyanka and I want to share with you my latest TT kit for this month. So sorry for the late video. I was just caught up with some other things, so I couldn't shoot the video. But nevertheless, let's just walk through the supplies that I have selected for this month from Paper Rose Studio. So first, I'll let you see the stamp and the ticket set that I got. This is beautiful stamp and a die set with which you can create and build your tickets. These can be used for various purposes. The length of the ticket is 2 inches and the breadth here is 1 inch, and then you have these small embellishments as well to make them beautiful. You also have these stars and it says admit 1, there is seat number and also some sentiments, so you can create some beautiful tickets to be used in cards, journals or scrapbooks. Then I've got a few stencils here. This one is cogs and wheels. The other one is a bit more mixed media style, so we can do some splashy, inky and some small patterns here and there. Then I have selected this one, the clouds. They have various sizes and it also has the edge to make the edges in the card while doing some inking and stenciling. So that's going to be a great addition to my supply or stock, you can say. So these are the extra things. Now let's move to the collections. So this is called Botanical Memories, and that's the colorful sentiments which they give with all the 12 by 12 paper pads. They are just beautiful sentiments that can be used with any variety of pattern papers. And then this is a bit of a floral pattern paper with some cages, chandeliers, teacups and some birds here. It's very pretty. And that's the back here, and they always have this strip that you can use and cut out to match your sentiments or just break the patterns on cards and pockets. And then that's the second piece. The back is a bit of a newspaper print, and that's the beautiful floral arrangement. So this one is a very beautiful and bold pattern with a light purple base, and then the back has lots of chandelier patterns. It's really beautiful. So this is the one of my favorite sheets. So these are gorgeous women in oval frames and some are in rectangular, so you can cut these out and you or maybe use them as some journaling tags or something like that. And then this pattern here at the back is purple chipped base or something. It's really pretty in real. And then we have these stacked cups, really pretty. And then we have this beautiful black and white stripes. This will be great again to break the patterns. Then we have this beautiful blues and greens, very pretty bold pattern. And then at the back there is fine script with a light blue color, and then the pattern repeat themselves. So that's the pattern paper. And now let me show you the coordinating color parts. So that's the color parts. You get 18 single-sided sheets. So you have to firstly cut them out. Get this pattern here. Looks really pretty. The next one is this. They have these frames, some vases, and then these beautiful girls here, some dressing and chandeliers, the teacups. This one comes with a chair. It's like a desk, vintage desk. And then we have these small elements as well as frames. Then we have this beautiful amazing dresser again, and it's a very girlish beautiful pattern, perfect for young girls or maybe middle-aged women, even your nana or anybody like that. Gift for her, cards, albums, anything that you can think of. Yeah, and then the patterns repeat themselves. So that's the Botanical Memories color parts. Now I will show you the other collections. So this was a beautiful collection from the May month, and I got this one to play with. This is called Lakeside Memories here, and it's very beautiful. They have some beautiful color palettes. This is going to be perfect for men's as well. Look at this. It's a bit vintagey, greenish blues and grays. And then we have beautiful butterflies and dragonflies. Then we have the wooden pattern. These are the landscapes and the sceneries which can be cut out and made into frames, as well as backgrounds for pop-ups, as well as cards. I love all these. And then the back is this beautiful brown scripting. Then we have this cut apart sheet. You can cut these out to make beautiful embellishments for your journals here. I love it. And then this pebbled floor, I guess, really good. And all the people who are fond of fishing, it's a perfect background piece for them. Look at this grungy effect, very rustic and irony. And then we have another sheet, and you can just cut these out, make some tall things. This is a shadow from the water, really lovely patterns. And then the back is like this. So this is Lakeside Memories for you. I'm hoping to make some beautiful cards and album maybe. Now let me show you the 6x6 Memories Basic. This collection also comes in 6x6, so you can try your hands on those as well. And this one here, let me quickly show you the patterns. These are really good to break the colors and make some beautiful backgrounds. Okay, so this is the second sheet. Then the third one, it's orange, and it's blues, grays, greens, and yellows, or mustard, I would say. There we go. So then it repeats itself. So you get 18 double-sided pattern papers in the 6x6. Then we get the embossed die-cuts from Lakeside Memories, and Lakeside Memories tags and tickets embossed die-cuts. So first is the Lakeside Memories embossed die-cuts. So these are already pre-cut for you. You just have to pop them out from this sheet, and then just they're ready to use on your cards or your journals layouts. So that's the second sheet here. This one is the third sheet. It's a great paper for dog lovers as well as nature and scenery and beauty. Get this whole family of ducks. So this is the normal one, and this is the tags and tickets. So this one is beautiful to embellish or layer your tags or your cards, and you get this. And the third one is this beautiful tickets and tags. They have some small journal spaces as well, and butterflies. Also have some quotes to finish your cards. So yeah, this is it for the Lakeside Memories. Now I will show you the extra collections that I've got. Then I've got the vintage backgrounds one and the fine print. So these really look like some ledger paper or like black and white thingies or papers that just perfect for creating a balance or breaking the monotonous patterns, or just beautiful. So I just thought it's really going to be amazing to play with these. So I don't have anything like that in my stash. So I think I'm going to have fun mixing and matching these papers with my other floral patterns or very full patterns. So these are amazing to use as a matting or just breaking the monotony of any pattern paper. These can go well with any color combinations. Since this is grays, black and white, the patterns itself look very pretty. You can just tear the pages and make some backgrounds, or as well as some borders, or do some layerings. So I really love these, and I think it's going to be a great addition to my stash. Look at this, it's so vintage. The next collection is this fine print here. It's a 12 by 12 double-sided pattern papers, and then you have these beautiful sentiments. They also have an ombre effect on the sentiment backgrounds. Then you have this library pattern, and then we have this tone pages stuck on top of each other. And this is like a machine print. Then you can also cut them out and de-stress the edges and use them as tickets or some tags. Then we have some scripting. Then newspaper print. Oh, I love this one. These are book spines stacked with each other. Looks really great. Look at this one. We have this one, last one. Yeah. So this is the haul for this month. All the products will be linked down in the description box below. You can check out their website as well, and stay tuned for my inspirations for this month. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and see you soon in my next video.